Welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin. I'll tell you what, today we almost got hit by a bad thunderstorm, but it went around us. It still got a little bit windy. Anyway, today I'm making some beef back rib burnt ends. Check this out. Let me show you how to make them. We'll come back. I'll do a taste test. Okay, so for these beef back rib burnt ends, I am going to try to get the membrane off of the back of this beef rib. Yeah, don't freak out. I'm taking the membrane off of beef ribs. A lot of times I do it. Everybody says they're going to fall apart, but they don't. So all right. Well, that wasn't so painful now, was it? All right, so you can use any kind of binder you want. For these ribs, I'm going to use some red chili sauce that we made and had left over. It has a little bit of hamburger meat in it, but that's all right. And I'm just going to rub it all over. So the little chunks of brown, little chunks in there, that's just hamburger meat. Nothing bad. That's the way we do it in New Mexico. Red chili with hamburger meat. It goes on everything. All right, so I'm going to be using, I love to use this Killer Hogs Texas brisket rub. It's got nice, thick, coarse salt, pepper, and other things. I don't have to go too heavy on the bottom, but I always like to do the bottom, especially since I have the membrane off. And then I'm going to use some of my world famous, my world famous spicy SPG. Just gives it a little kick. Okay, I'll flip it over, do the same thing. Okay, now you can use your favorite rub, whatever you like to have on your beef ribs. This is the combination that I really like. It puts out some excellent flavor. So I'm going to do my beef ribs like I normally do till 3 hours from now. I'm going to go 2 hours bone side at 250 degrees, flip them over, 1 hour. And then after that 1 hour, I think what I'm going to do is wrap, because I want to get them even more tender. Okay, so let's get them out on the Pit Boss Lexington 500 today. All right, again, got the Pit Boss rolling at 250 degrees, 2 hours, bone side down. Beef ribs are so easy to do. So we'll, I got a severe thunderstorm going just north of me, so hopefully we don't get too much wind and this will work out. Okay. So I'll be back in 2 hours. I'll flip them over, see how they're doing, and go on from there. 2 hours in, still rolling, 250 degrees. What we're going to do is flip it over. 1 hour, meat side down, and then we're gonna, then I'm gonna wrap it. And we'll get into that in a minute. See you in an hour. See you in a second. Another 1 hour, so we're 3 hours total. Ribs look good. I'm going to check for tenderness. Oh boy. They go right through. I'm not sure if I can get these bones out or not. Alright. I'm going to take these off here in a minute. And I'm going to wrap them in foil and let them go again. Let's see what the temp is. There we go. 199, 200. So I think I'll wrap them for about, I don't know, 25, 30 minutes, because I want to get them tender enough to where we can get these bones out. If not, I'll cut it all off, but it'd be easier if I could just pull them right out. So I'm going to get these wrapped up and be back in a second. All right, got them double wrapped. I'm going to go back in with meat side down. I'm going to let them go for about, I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes, so I'll be right back. All right, give it a look. Rest it for a little bit. Get the bones pulling away really nice. see if I can get these bones out of here. Doesn't look like it. Okay, we'll use a knife. All right, so what I want to do is take the meat away from the bone. As much as we can. Okay, so this is all the meat right here. I have the bones, don't worry. We will be nibbling on those. So what you want to do now is cut these up in chunks, put them in an aluminum tray. Okay, so I probably could use a smaller pan, but that's okay. These are our burnt ends right here. And now I'm going to add some brown sugar. Probably just a third of a cup, maybe half. I have some softened butter, but you can use cold butter. It's fine, it'll melt. I'm going to use some red chili honey. You can use hot honey or just regular honey. The red chili honey to me will just add just that extra bit of flavor. Get that all over. And then I'm going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's Original barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite. Yeah, we're making some meat candy. Okay. Now you do want to kind of mix these all up, make sure they're all nice and coated with everything. Okay, now I'm going to go and put these back in the Pit Boss, leaving it at 250 degrees. And we're gonna go for, I'm just gonna cover them with some foil for about 30 minutes, then I'll uncover it for about 30 minutes, and then we'll give them a taste. All right, these look pretty darn good. All right, back in the pellet grill. All right, Pit Boss is still at 250. I use the foil, the outside foil from the double wrap, just so we don't waste it. Let these go for about 30 minutes or so. We'll uncover it, let it finish. So we got an hour left. I'll see you in a second. 30 minutes. I'll tell you what, this little Lexington, 250 the whole time. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright, those look pretty darn good. Pretty darn hot. Okay, I'll let these go 30 more minutes just so that honey and sauce and everything, the brown sugar can all set up a little bit. We'll be back. And just like that. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Alright, we're going to let it cool off a tiny bit, plate it up, do a taste test. What do you think about that? I don't know if you've ever had beef back burnt ends, beef back ribs burnt ends. Man, I gotta tell you, I can't wait to give these a try. So here we go. Let's see how they are. Beef back ribs into burnt ends. Oh my gosh. That there is some fine meat candy. Nice and tender. Tell you what, if you want to do something different with your beef back ribs, make some burnt ends out of them. When I cut those this meat off of the bone, you know, it's beef back ribs. You don't get tons of meat anyway. You could do this with dino ribs if you want, but that takes even longer. Anyway, so those bones will not go to waste. They will be gnawed on. I've already gnawed on one. So anyway, beef back, ribs, burnt ends, give them a try. Look how delicious they are. Thanks for checking this out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. Cheers.